Welcome to CyberGuardian 360 channel. Imagine waking up one day to find your computer running slow and your electricity bill skyrocketing. You might be a victim of cryptojacking, but what is cryptojacking? It's the unauthorized use of your computer to mine cryptocurrency. Picture this: cybercriminals infiltrate your device, often through malware or a script on a website, and your computer starts working for them, mining digital gold without your permission. The impact? Your device slows down, your electricity bill goes up, and the constant strain causes wear and tear on your computer. For businesses, the stakes are even higher, with potential losses in productivity and increased operational costs. And the worst part? You might not even know it's happening. Like a silent predator, cryptojacking lurks in the shadows of the vast universe of cyber threats, quietly exploiting resources and leaving a trail of damage in its wake. In the vast universe of cyber threats, cryptojacking is a silent predator lurking in the shadows. So, how does cryptojacking get its claws into your system? The methods are as cunning as they are dangerous. Let's start by taking a look at the most common technique: phishing emails. These are deceptive emails that masquerade as legitimate messages from trustworthy sources. They may come from a familiar company, a bank, or even a friend. These emails often contain a malicious link or an infected attachment. The moment you click on the link or open the attachment, the cryptojacking script is installed on your device. It's as simple as that. Now, the script can run in the background, mining cryptocurrency without your knowledge or consent. Now let's talk about malicious websites. These are sites designed with one goal in mind: to host cryptojacking scripts. Just by visiting these websites, the script is automatically loaded onto your device. And again, it runs quietly in the background, utilizing your computer's processing power to mine digital currencies. This technique is often referred to as drive-by cryptojacking because it can happen so swiftly and stealthily. In some cases, cybercriminals may even infect legitimate websites with their cryptojacking scripts. They do this by exploiting vulnerabilities in the website's code. So you could be visiting your favorite news site, social media network, or online shopping platform and unknowingly become a victim of cryptojacking. One of the more sneaky methods involves using ad-based cryptojacking. Here, the perpetrator embeds the cryptojacking script in an online ad. When the ad is displayed on any website, the script gets to work mining cryptocurrency. This means you could be victimized just by browsing a site with infected ads, even if the site itself is perfectly safe. And then there's cloud cryptojacking. In this approach, the criminals infiltrate your cloud account. Once inside, they can use your cloud resources to mine cryptocurrency. This method is particularly insidious because it can go undetected for an extended period, allowing the criminals to mine a substantial amount of cryptocurrency at your expense. These stealthy techniques allow the perpetrators to mine cryptocurrency using your resources without you even noticing. Are you unwittingly mining cryptocurrency for someone else? The signs are there if you know what to look for. Now let's delve into how to spot cryptojacking. One of the key signs is slow device performance. If your computer or mobile device is suddenly lagging or not responding as quickly as usual, this could be a red flag. This happens because cryptojacking uses your device's resources to mine cryptocurrencies, which can slow down its performance. Another sign is high CPU usage. If your device's fan is constantly running at full speed or your battery is draining faster than usual, this might indicate that a cryptojacking script is at work. In fact, unusually high CPU usage is one of the most common signs of cryptojacking. Lastly, overheating of the device can also be a telltale sign. Cryptojacking pushes your device to its limits, which can cause it to heat up. Remember, your device is your personal space. If it's acting out of the ordinary, it's time to investigate. Cryptojacking is not just a theoretical threat, it's a real and present danger. Let's delve into a few real-life incidents that highlight the seriousness of this issue. In 2017, the infamous cryptojacking case of CoinHive emerged. This service offered a script for website owners to mine cryptocurrency using their visitors' computer power. While it was initially launched with good intentions, it quickly became a tool for cryptojackers, leading to its eventual shutdown. Then there was the Smomenru botnet, which infected over 500,000 machines, secretly mining cryptocurrency in the background. It demonstrated how widespread and damaging cryptojacking could be. Recently, in 2022, a major global company, Tesla, was targeted. Cryptojackers infiltrated Tesla's cloud environment to mine cryptocurrency, showing that even high-profile businesses are not immune. These incidents remind us that anyone can fall prey to cryptojacking, but knowledge is our best defense. Now that we understand the threat, it's time to armor up and protect ourselves. Cryptojacking, the silent invader, can sneak onto your device and drain resources without you even noticing. But fear not, for there are practical ways to guard against this digital menace. The first line of defense is having solid antivirus software. This isn't just about protecting against viruses. A good antivirus program can also detect and block cryptojacking scripts. It's like having a digital watchguard that tirelessly monitors your device for any suspicious activity. Next, consider using an ad blocker. Some cryptojackers use ads as a delivery system for their mining scripts. An ad blocker can shut these out, acting like a filter that only allows the good stuff through. Now, let's talk updates. Remember how frustrating it is when your device prompts you to install an update right in the middle of something important? Well, it turns out, those updates are crucial. They often contain patches for vulnerabilities that cryptojackers could exploit. So next time your device nudges you to update, think of it as your digital companion looking out for your best interest. But what about when you're browsing the web? Be cautious of unfamiliar sites and avoid clicking on suspicious links. Cryptojackers often use these as bait to lure unsuspecting victims. It's like walking through a dark alley at night. You never know who or what might be lurking in the shadows. And finally, stay informed. The world of cybercrime is constantly evolving, and the best way to stay ahead is to keep learning. Remember, knowledge is power. In the fight against cryptojacking, vigilance and proactive measures are our strongest weapons. Stay informed, stay secure. Cryptojacking might be a silent invader, but equipped with the right tools and knowledge, you can silence the silencer. Stay vigilant, stay safe.